He's a good girl. Be careful, because sometimes there's horses loose out here. I don't want the dogs to scare them. You've got to keep your eyes open. This side. Hey! Good girls. Come on. That little one loves it down here. I'll take him down the beach tomorrow. That should be fun. Hola, this side. He's a good girl. I love all this. When she was a puppy, she used to eat the blackberries off the bushes. She don't do it now. Wait up, wait up. Hey, hey, Isla. Wait. 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 Good girl. Don't know what's around this corner, do we? You never know. Oh, she's having a shit. Ow, you turd. Hey, here, wait. Good girl, you wait. Wait, wait. Good girl, wait. Isla, wait. Here, wait. Good girl, you wait. 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 I don't know what's around there. Wait. Here's a good girl. You wait. What did I say? Good girl. Good girl. Go on then. Don't look like there's anyone there. It's a bit. I do this normally at 6 in the morning. But it's a bit later today. Good girl, you wait. Good girl. Yeah, well, it doesn't seem like there's anyone here.